Due to the public health crisis, schools have closed in more than 190 countries, affecting 1.57 billion children and young adults, which is about 90% of the world's student population. Many countries have yet to announce a date for reopening their schools. Some countries have announced that they will continue to educate their students online through distance learning. Other countries have announced partial plans for physically reopening, implementing several new restrictions and policies. For example, in Nigeria, the Federal Ministry of Education, the Nigerian Union of Teachers, as well as other government entities and stakeholders, have announced that secondary schools are to resume on August 4th for students in exit classes about to take their graduation exams. Some questions being asked about schools right now. Is it safe to reopen? Would reopening significantly accelerate the spread of COVID? How will this affect the mental health and social development of young children? Can remote learning be as effective as in-person instruction? And down the line, when schools do fully reopen, how do they intend to support the students who have fallen behind in this period, and how will they plan for a crisis like this in the future? In addition to providing education, schools also provide nutrition and health support for students across the planet. Many students rely on schools for getting their meals throughout the day. The World Food Program estimates that 370 million children worldwide are going to be affected by the lack of food provided by schools. Many parents and educators are struggling to make sure that their students don't fall behind academically. Here are some resources for distance learning provided by the UNESCO website. Here are some online platforms designed to help teachers interact and provide resources for their students. Here are some online learning platforms with built-in courses and learning programs. Here are some self-directed learning programs designed for students to go at their own pace. Schools are hubs of social activity and human interaction. With schools closed, many children are losing out on the social contact that is essential for learning and development. It's important to make sure that your child is still exercising and enjoying recreational activities in a safe, socially distant manner. The more well-adjusted your children, the better learners they will be.